It depends if I'm happy or sad.
That's a good point. Sometimes it's all about your mood and how things go.
Hello to everyone, terve kaikille. Well, now I have to start doing the big service on my Ford Transit Mark 7. This is a 2.2 liter turbo diesel engine, and it's a common rail injection. It didn't go to the inspections last month, and it was mainly that it was excessive exhaust emissions. So that means something is wrong with engine. It can be. I think it's the EGR valve. I have a new one there here, and but it can also be um the air intake meter, or what do you call that? But I will start with the EGR valve. It's clogged. I know that. Yes, and also I have a new clutch assembly and a new release bearing. Uh, when I drive this car, I noticed that the clutch pedal is vibrating. So I think it's worn out. So the clutch assembly is not centered anymore. So and it can be also the release bearing that's bad. So yes, so this car is going up now, and I'm going under it. Unfortunately, I don't have a car lift in this small garage, so I have to crawl on the floor. But I'm a pretty fit and small guy, so I think that will not be a problem.
Will not be a problem.
Um, okay, let's lift the car and start doing something. Let's open this up. Guys, I will ask AI or AI, how do you say it, if it knows what my car has, like what kind of problem it have. So let's try. I have my iPad here, so let's start. Hello, AI.
Hey there, what's up?
Have you time to talk now?
Yeah, I'm here. What's on your mind?
I have a Ford Transit behind me here.
Nice. Is it your van, or are you just checking it out?
Yeah, I have it in my workshop here now because I was in car inspection, but it didn't go through the inspections.
Ymmärrän, se on varmasti turhauttavaa. Mikä tarkistuksessa meni pieleen? Oliko siinä tekninen vika vai jotain muuta?
Why do you talk Finnish with me? I talk English.
Got it. I just responded in Finnish because you used kyllä, but I'll stick to English. So, what went wrong with the inspection?
Yeah, so it had excess emissions in the exhaust.
That's frustrating. Did they say what might be causing the high emissions? Could be something like a faulty EGR valve, bad sensors, or a clogged DPF.
Yeah, I have a new EGR valve here.
Nice. Replacing the EGR valve might help a lot. Are you planning to install it yourself, or will you get a mechanic to do it?
What do you think? Do you think I'm looking like a mechanic?
Haha. Well, I can't see you, so I wouldn't know. But since you've got the part ready, I'm guessing you're at least handy with tools. Are you comfortable swapping it out yourself?
Yeah, I'm comfortable. I have a small garage here and I have much tools, so I'm thinking I'm going to do it.
Sounds like you've got a good setup. If you're comfortable with it, doing it yourself should save time and money. Do you need any tips on replacing the EGR valve, or are you all set?
I'm going to take the whole gearbox off the car before, because it's handier to reach to the EGR valve if I take the gearbox first.
I see. It sounds like you're planning to take the whole car for a ride to get things sorted out with the EGR valve. Hopefully, once that's taken care of, things will run smoother for you. How long do you think it'll take to get everything sorted?
It depends if I'm happy or sad.
That's a good point. Sometimes it's all about your mood and how things go. Hopefully, you'll feel proud when it's done and everything's working well again. Are you looking forward to finishing the job?
Yes, I am.
That's awesome. There's a real sense of accomplishment when you fix things yourself. Best of luck with the job. I'm sure it'll go great.
What about if the exhaust gases don't get good when I change the EGR valve? Can it be some other problem?
Jos tuulet eivät toimi kunnolla
Stop.
vaihdettaessa EGR-valvea, voi olla, että järjestelmässä on muita tukoksia tai ongelmia. Esimerkiksi jos EGR-venttiili oli tukossa, saattaa myös olla, että ilmankierto- tai pakokaasujärjestelmässä on ongelmia, kuten tukkeutunut DPF, hiukkassuodatin tai vaurioitunut ilmanottojärjestelmä. Jos ilmavirtaukset eivät ole kunnossa, se voi vaikuttaa myös moottorin tehoon ja päästöihin. Onko sinulla muita varoitusvaloja tai virheilmoituksia autossa?
Can you say that same in English, because now you were talking Finnish?
Apologies for the mix-up. If the airflow isn't working well after changing the EGR valve, there could be other issues in the system. For example, if the EGR valve was clogged, there might also be blockages in the air intake or exhaust system, like a clogged DPF, diesel particulate filter, or a damaged air intake system. If the airflow isn't correct, it can affect engine performance and emissions. Are there any warning lights or error codes showing up in your vehicle?
No, it's just when I'm taking the car for a ride, then...
It sounds like you're about to explain something. Are you saying the issue happens when you're driving or taking the car out for a test? Could you clarify what happens then?
Can I ask you something else?
Totta kai, kysy ihmeessä.
Can you tell my YouTube friends that they are nice and to have a nice day.
Sure, you can tell your YouTube friends that they're awesome, and I hope they have a great day.
Yes, nice. Thank you for this talk with you.
Glad you liked it. Hope your friends enjoy hearing that.
Yeah, they enjoy this. Or do you enjoy that?
I'm glad they enjoy it. As for me, I definitely enjoy helping out and being part of the conversation. It's always fun to connect with you.
Okay, I will ask you one thing more. Can you tell my YouTube friends a joke before I start working again?
Totta kai. Voit kertoa
Stop,
YouTube-ystäville,
stop,
että
stop,
he ovat
stop.
mahtavia ja toivotan heille oikein hyvää.
I will ask you, can you tell my YouTube friends a joke before I start working again?
Of course, you can tell your YouTube friends that they are awesome, and I hope they have an amazing day before you get back to work.
Yes, but can you say them a joke about Ford Transit?
Sure, here's one for your YouTube friends. Why did the Ford Transit bring a ladder to work? Because it wanted to reach new heights.
Ha ha ha.
Glad you liked it. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
Okay, but this is taking too long now.
Got it. I'll keep it short. Anything else on your mind?
No, have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Well, guys, I'm not so supportive to use AI, but I wanted to try with this setup here. So I thought it was funny, but maybe I will not do that anymore. But yes, let's start working again. Yes, so guys, now I have prepared so far that I can remove the gearbox. So I ended up taking off the whole drive shaft and here too the whole drive shaft. This is the drive shaft bearing and this needs to be replaced. Kom aan! So guys, here is the turbo and now is the time to feel how this turbo is doing. Ah, it's not so bad actually, I think. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video here because I don't like to do such long videos. The editing takes so long, so uh, in the next episode it's time to drop the gearbox and it's going to go fast, that job. So but I have to check the turbo a little bit more. I didn't feel it so well there, so keep your fingers crossed that I don't need to get a new turbo because I think it's maybe 900 euros for a new turbo. So yes, but yes, this is life. You always have to do something about your car, and I have had really bad luck with old cars when going to inspection because in the last 2 or 3 times when I have been inspecting my car, I ended up with a red sticker on my windscreen that said that you can't drive home or this car is undrivable. So, but thank you for watching and like, subscribe, and please write down a comment. I want to hear from you guys. It's so odd to just make and edit videos and put them out on YouTube and nobody's saying anything. So for me it feels that nobody is watching my videos, but I see on the views that few few are watching. So yeah, but please comment something and I will feel a little bit better then. Yes, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.